Welcome to the Eaton family Thunderdrome. It's Patriots League 30. Race 1, Lane 1. We got the 72 Ford Gran Torino Sport. Lane 2, 70 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Lane 3, 65 Ford Galaxy. Lane 4, we got the 49 Merc convertible. And lane 5, check out this beauty. He is the 82 Cadillac Seville. Whoa, what a beauty. Favorite for this race is the Mach 1 in lane 2. Let's see who gets into the championship race. No defending champion in this. They're both in, well, he's in Muscle Car League. So a new champion will be crowned tonight. Good race. Torino's off, pacing the outside. Mach 1's taking the lead into Torino's trying to catch him. Cadillac on the inside. But it's going to be the Mach 1 Too Good. First car into the championship race, we have Ford Power, the Mach 1. Race 2, lane 1, 68 Dodge Dart in Mopar livery. Ooh, this is a beauty. Lanes 2 and 3, we have a couple of 69 Copo Camaros, both as hot as each other. Wow. Lane 4, we have the 32 Ford in the Golf livery. Outstanding. And lane 5, race favorite. We got the 87 Buick Regal GMX Grand National. Let's see who gets that second spot. Good drop, Buick. 34 is right on his hammer on his outside. Camaro sits in third. Regal extended his lead. It was a good win in the end. They weren't going to beat him. He was too quick. The former American Manufacturers Classic champion joins the Mach 1 in the championship race. Both these dudes are from the Circle Track 5. Race 3, lane 1, Halloween come early. It's the King Cuda. Lane 2, we got the 68 Shelby All Aflame. He's a purple people eater, check him out. Lane 3, another beauty, a Ford Maverick. Lane 4, we got the 70 Pontiac Firebird. And lane 5, 81 Chevy Camaro. Favorite for this race is King Cuda. Interested to see how the new boy, the Shelby, will go. All oiled up. This is his first race since then. Let's see what he's got. Camaro leads into that near the inside. King Cuda's hit the burn after burners. He's gone. Whoa! Wow! Everyone was watching the Camaro while the King Cuda just took off. King Cuda didn't just win; he blasted them off the racetrack. A good win. Oh, I'd almost pick him as my favorite to win the whole damn thing. Race 4, lane 1, we got an 84 Chevy Corvette. Lane 2, we got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Lane 3, Count Muscular. Lane 4, 65 Pontiac GTO. And lane 5, we got the 69 Ford Mercury Cougar. Beautiful car. The favorite is the 84 Corvette in lane 1. anyone get close to him? Let's find out. Because we need a Chevy in there. We've got a Buick, we've got a Ford, we've got a Plymouth. We need Chevy, and maybe even a Pontiac. Let's find out. Good drop, Cougar. He leads onto the flat. Two Corvettes on the outside are passed in there head to head, nose to nose. It's the 84 Corvette, winning by about a second. Wow, that was good and close. Variety being the spice of life, we have a Chevy added to the Plymouth, Buick, and Ford. Which leaves us to race 5, the last spot left. In lane 1, we have the Camaro Z28. Lane 2, we have 65 Ford Mustang Fastback. Lane 3, 67 Chevy Camaro. Lane 4, the rookie in his first race, it's Muscle Bound. Check him out, he is awesome. And lane 5, Halloween Special, 71 Ford Maverick Grabber. Favorite for this race is the what have we got? The Camaro in lane 1. Muscle Bound leads the grabber onto the flat. Camaro's cleaning up the outside. He's hitting in the second spot. He's chasing the Muscle Bound, but Muscle Bound just could not be caught. Good win for the rookie, his first ever. 25 cars started, 5 cars remain. It's the championship race, Patriots League 30. We're looking for a new champion. It's going to be one of these guys. Lane 1, 70 Ford Mustang Mark 1. Lane 2, 87 Buick Regal GNX Grand National. Lane 3, we got King Cuda Halloween Special. Lane 4, the 84 Chevy Corvette. And lane 5, new boy on the block. It's Muscle Bound with Robin on it. Oh, it's a beauty. And he is surprisingly quick. Favorite for this race, though, is King Cuda. He'll do well to beat out the Buick Regal and the Mustang. But I'm interested to see how fast Muscle Bound really is. Let's find out. Let's crown that new champion for Patriots League 30. Muscle Bound leads onto the flat. He's looking King Cuda, spotting out for second. Mark 1's edging past both on the outside. It's going to be close. But the Mark 1 has an upset, stolen it from Muscle Bound.